Michael.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode. It is Thursday, which means it's officially Kelowna Bike Night. I'm on the side of the highway waiting for the group to come off from Kelowna because, well, I have a corporate job and that means I miss out on some events. But luckily, today, they are coming in Penticton, which means I can join them. Stick around for the episode. We're gonna tag along on the highway, like I said. We're gonna show you what the bikes are like, what Kelowna Bike Night's like, and hopefully you guys like this content. Alright, catch you in a bit. Somebody actually bought the new road glide and came out with it on this bike. That is super cool. It's nice to see them. I haven't seen this color in the Harley dealership yet, so let me know what color is. Alrighty, you guys. Oh, what's up? We just got to Dragon Ball Pub in Penticton. I just counted, there's 20 motorcycles here total. So I am so happy I got a chance to catch up with everybody on the highway. Got a little bit of riding in, got some good footage for you guys. Now it's time to get something to eat.
Drinking beers and hanging out with queers.
What? Wait.
Kyle.
That's a wrap on Bike Night. Thank you very much for watching.